7 people are presumed dead after a boat capsized in floodwaters on Thursday in Oil Center County of northern Bahr el Ghazal state. The state police spokesperson said the boat was ferrying 20 flood-affected people from Majak Bai, Oil North County to Mariel Bai in Oil West County when it overturned. Captain Gwat Guatacol confirmed that 13 others, including a child, were rescued during the incident. The boat was carrying people from affecting flood area, and in the middle of the river the boat overturned. It was carrying 20 people, and up to now we are missing 7 people, he said. Captain Guatacol said search for the missing persons is ongoing. He attributes the cause of the accident to overloading. The police is doing everything to make sure these people are in good condition, and we are doubt that the boat was overloaded. This is the incident that happened yesterday. Similar incident of boat accident also occurred in July along the Nile, leaving 4 people dead and 5 others injured. The boat, which was said to be overloaded, capsized along the Nile near Bor town on a night